This morning, the Supreme Court announced it will honor a code of conduct for the first time in its 234-year history. Here's ABC's Derek Dennis.
This morning, in response to mounting criticism and growing questions about their ethics, the 9 Supreme Court justices have signed on to a new code of conduct outlining what they should and should not do ethically as lifetime appointees.
They were watching as the Gallup poll numbers for the trust in their institution ticked down, and I think that really bothered a number of them.
Justices Clarence Thomas and Sonia Sotomayor are among those who've been in the spotlight recently. Thomas for his financial ties to a Texas billionaire and Republican megadonor, and Sotomayor for allegedly using court staff to plan a book tour. Justice Alito also came under fire, accused of not reporting a luxury vacation on a private jet. Among the highlights of the new code, avoiding conduct that might compromise impartiality, not conveying the impression that they're in a special position of influence, and not using their taxpayer-funded staff for non-court work.
The Supreme Court of the United States is at least saying to the American people, we hear you. And understand that the 9 justices on the Supreme Court are members of a democratic form of government, not royalty.
But many observers note this new code of conduct is toothless.
It does not include a mechanism for enforcement. It doesn't say what will happen if justices violate this code of ethics.
The head of the Senate Judiciary Committee called the new code a step in the right direction, but critics point out there are lots of should-dos in the code and not a lot of must-dos. Derek Dennis, ABC News.